time. Time is one of the hardest things that we do in year 2. There's so many different concepts and ideas to think about, and remember there's 2 different scales, the hour scale, the minute scale, and it works on a totally old number system related to dozens. So this is how we teach time in year 2. The first thing to note is that the shorthand is the hour hand and the longhand is the minute hand. The hour here is 2, and when the minute hand is on the 12, it means it's o'clock. So we're currently at 2 o'clock. The first and easiest way to learn the time in year 2, which we're all pretty good at, is counting the time in 5-minute increments. So we learn that as the minute hand moves to the next number, that the time has passed by 5 minutes. So this is now 2:05. We move it on again, 2:10, 2:15, 2:20, 2:25, 2:30, 2:35, 2:40, 2:45, 2:50, 2:55, and finally we get to the next hour, 3 o'clock. The children are pretty good with this. Then, once we're confident with that, counting around the time in 5 minutes, saying it in the digital form, we can add in the funny language of past and to the hour, along with quarter past, half past and quarter to. So we learn that when the minute hand is between the 12 and the 6, it is past the hour. So for example, when we were at what we would have called 3:05 is 5 past 3. When we're at 3:10, it's 10 past 3. When it's at the 15, it's 15 past 3, or we more commonly call this quarter past 3. We then get to 3:20, so 20 past 3, 3:25, 25 past 3, and then we get to 3:30, 30 past 3, but we more commonly say half past 3. Now, this is the bit where it gets really tricky. When we get to 3:35, we don't say 35 past 3, we count how many minutes it is until the next hour. So the next hour here would be 4 o'clock. So if we go back to 3:35, we'd have to count in increments of 5 until we get to 4 o'clock. So we count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes until 4 o'clock. When we then get to 3:40, we want to see how many minutes it is until the next hour, until 4 o'clock. So we count it as 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes until 4 o'clock. So it's 20 to 4. I hope that helps in teaching time and learning time at home. Keep going with it. It is really confusing, but the children are getting better.